Hello, everyone. Thank you for that I can join your amazing topic conference, because farming and connecting with the farmers and consumers is my life. So hello from Czech Republic. I'm working for organization which starting CSA in 2009. This organization is Association for Local Food Initiative. The short is AMPI. So our mission is to support people's close relationship with the landscape in which they live, and which nourishing them through the development of local food system in the Czech Republic. So we are focusing on education for the children. We have also maternity school, like a garden maternity school. We are trying to start a national network of CSA. We are cooperating with the farmers, and my mission is trying to connect to give back the people connection with the soil, and to have a better connection with their food. So we are focused in community supported agriculture for small scale farmers who farm ecologically and environmentally friendly in their region. So mainly we are focused on farmers. We are farming environment friendly. So there is a question with about a certificate, bio certificate, because most of the people they are starting, so they have no time for the start to have the certificate and focus for some administration. But we are connecting them with the people, and they can start their own rights and their own things, to know that the farmer really farming like through the ecologic way. I can show you how looks the CSA in Czech Republic. I have some. I can show you some models.
Ну вот этот семинар, ну очень классно, ведь там, понимаешь, там действительно очень скидывается, например, несколько.
So, how I said that the first CSA started 11 years ago, and do some searching and some researching in 2015. So in Czech Republic there were 24 groups, mainly around the bigger towns, and they have around 600 members. And then, because the members is mostly the family, so then the eaters, there were 1,800 people. And the last year we do another research, and we are really happy that the CSA are growing. For the last 3 years there are many new young families which are starting farming. Sometimes they are from the family, so they starting on a really small scale, like around 2 hectares, or they have 40 animals, and they start. And here I have 3 common module of CSA in Czech Republic. The most common Czech CSA model is that there is a farmer, that the group of coordinator, they find a farmer and they find their group, their consumers. So the farmer focusing on growing food or making cheese or the other things, and they are communicate with the coordinator, and the coordinator communicate with the group. So the group could also met the farmer every week when the farmer bring the food, but the main communication is on coordination or the coordinating group. Another model is that the farmer is also the coordinator, and they have some consumer community. So this model is quite hard for the farmer, because when we just bring the model from France, from Urgency, which is a national network focus on community-supported agriculture, we were thinking that maybe we would like to not put so much work for farmer, because we just thinking let him to focus on farming and their things, and we just put the coordinator out of his work. So for that we just have some in Czech Republic. And the third model is community CSA. So this is the model when the community, that inside community is consumers, there are farmers, and also the group of coordinator. Mostly this model is typical for some small towns, or the people which are out of the city or around, and they have some land, and they do some kind of non-government organization, and they are just sharing the responsibilities of coordinating, and they are just changing the role, that sometimes they are farming, sometimes they are coordinating, and it's up then how to manage in this community together. Okay, so, and now I would like to tell you why they start to think about national network, when and why we started. Because we are a small organization, and in our team of coordinating community-supported agriculture in Czech Republic, we are 2 or 3 people. So we don't want to and cannot be alone in this. We need those we have to support and connect with. So we decided to invite the people which we are focused on. So we think that we couldn't be alone. We just have to make a call for the farmers which are already involved in CSA, or the small scale farmers which are starting with their farming. We still working with the consumers and with the people to think about their food and about where they can find the food, not only in supermarket or in the shops, but also from the people which are really do or growing the food. So we founded the CSA coalition in 2019. In 2020, we set up a closer Facebook group, which is working really good. And in 2021, so from the January, we starting to have a regular monthly online meetings because it's really helped because more people can connect from really far place from Czech Republic, and it works. So in this situation, COVID helps us to improve our skills and to starting to be in a connect, like also through online, but we have good feedback from our friends and from the people. So it was our vision. I wanted to only show you, it was our vision, what it will be. It's a mind map, what it will be, what can help us, because mostly we have some grants from the city or from the European Union, but it doesn't work that it's only for the establishing national network. So we said that we need to invite the people, like from the base camp, from the field, from the families that starting to think about that, and then it will work. We try to involve like the people, the new members, and that they can starting the network together with us. So we looking for new members.
Jana, I'm so sorry, we have no time anymore.
Okay,
and
okay.
Maybe
so,
could you please give us maybe one advice how what we have think about when we want launch this system in Ukraine?
Yes. So I think that what is important is we were alone, and we said, because we have friends in France and in Germany and in Belgium, we know that the network works. So we said that we have to involve the people for which we are doing this. So for customers, for farmers. So that's, I think that's the main thing. And then we have we know that it doesn't work now. It takes, for example, 2 or 3 years. It's like that.